Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable and use the one-handed mode on this device. Simply go to your settings, scroll down, tap on the option advanced features. Here you can see the option one-handed mode. Tap on this one. Now this is disabled. Okay, let me show you. The one-handed mode is temporarily scaled down the display size for your easier control of your phone with just one hand. First of all, we need to enable this one. After enable this one, you have to select either gesture or button. If you select the option gesture, you can see how to use the one-handed mode. Swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. If you select button, to enable this one, double tap the home screen. So this is the home screen button, home button. Just make a double tap. Now you can see 100 mode is enabled, and you can move the screen any four corner. Let me show you. If you want to move this one to top, like this one. If you want to come back if you want to disable the one-handed mode, just make a double tap on the home screen, if home button. If you select the option button, you can see. So simply in this way we can enable and use the one-handed mode on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.